Okay, I have discovered a bug in my mind. Live chat, pop-up chat, chatty chat. Put that here. Okay. So times when a player joins. Hello. Got alright, player added. Where oh, do I not have a player added? Hold up, file open. Times old. Sunlight my eyes, yeah, it's sunny. You know, this is a good idea. Bye bye. Like my pajamas. I was born in '95, so. Oh, okay. So this is the old times. Is there a player added? There was a function that was called. So I'm gonna do a player added thing. Alright, in the map loading is here. So update time right there. Okay. So it's downloaded all the times on the map. But when a player joins, I'll need to download their time specifically because I came up with this scenario. So what if we have server A and server B on the same map, and then a user is on server A and completes the map for the first time. So they join the other server and their time is not there, and if they complete the map again, it'll make a new time for the same person on the same map, and there'll be two competing entries for the map. So what I have to do is I have to download their times to the server. And I have to also make sure that they don't get a time in the meantime. Oh, so that's why I was doing that. Oh yeah, check it out.
Oops, it looks like I left this trash open. Don't need that. Let's do what we're supposed to be doing here. Much better.
For is map user. Alright, so I'm gonna have to load the times and then merge sort them into. I guess I don't really need to merge sort because there's only one per style. Alright, so F and sorted times uh hmm I could add another argument. Hold up. This is type 4. Oh. So sorted times is there. So it's basically gonna do this already. Except worse. Mm-hmm. All right. My favorite channel, Quad ASMR. ASMR keyboard, right? Oh yeah. So basically, Control F, find. Times loading, or player loading. All right, we're having a conversation now. I should move it over here. Server. Come in RSurf voice chat. Later. I have to do this. Player loading. Player. So to get a time, I'll sif. Ah!
What the fuck do you want? I don't read minds, man.
Oh, read my mind, dude. Oh, okay. So, uh,
Fucking faggot.
uh, let's see. How do I say this? Okay, so it's like let's say I make like 3 requests like all at once, but then on my end I'll like put them in some sort of data structure, and then send you the data structure, and
That's
then
fucking stupid. You're fucking gay.
on your end you do all the requests in sequence, and then fill in the data and send back a data structure with like each reply with everything you need, and then
That's
it's
so
just
fucking
one
retarded.
communication.
That's so fucking stupid. You're stupid. You should feel bad.
Yeah, it's probably not necessary, but it's hilarious. So
Such an autistic way to do it too. You fucking faggot. Oh, it's the most modular, I guess. But like, that means I need to assign everything in action, and it's just stupid. It's fucking AIDS. That's why it's a gay idea. You should
ooh, I could
fucking
use it as a
feel
table.
terrible, man. You should feel bad. Fucking little shitter. You have to revise all the data structures and everything. It'd all just be fucking trash, dude. Your idea is shit, and you should feel bad. Do you feel bad?
Feel pretty good about it. It's
Fucking
if
gay
we
idea.
were doing like
Okay,
if
it
you needed like
sounds good,
50
but the
different
implementation
requests.
will always be terrible, alright?
Yeah,
Like,
it's it'd be much better if you're doing just a silly number of different types of requests and stuff, and everything had like gets and sends and stuff. It's what I
okay,
do on my
it would make
networking library
sense.
though.
It would make sense if we weren't doing it over HTTP, but like it was just straight up just TCP socket, right? So you could just send a packet, right, and then it just doesn't matter, you know?
Oh,
But you can't do
why does
that.
it matter on HTTP if you...
um, because there's overhead, because you have
Oh,
the
really?
HTTP whole protocol.
Oh,
Yeah, you have to parse out headers and stuff like
oh,
that. Like
that's
if it was
garbage. Yeah,
TCP, I
never
could just
mind
read the
then.
data. What?
Like yeah, I'd rather do it over like TCP. That's a very good point.
Yeah, that's what I was doing with carbonized. It was just raw TCP, man.
There's
Ripped
no other way.
carbonized, man. I
Can you
was
get any
doing
lower?
what?
Like, can you get lower than UDP, or can you is that like the most basic type of thing you can
No,
send?
no, your ISP won't even send the packets.
Ah, gotcha.
Yeah, the only thing you
So
can
if you
send over
like
the internet is
play
like
around with the drivers and stuff, it'll just like
you'll just send malformed packets. But yeah,
so this is a table of all the times that have been gotten by the player since the server asked for the player's times, which should be 0 always, since the request should take less than 3 seconds, and maps are more than 3 seconds long, and it should take it longer to load into the game than to do this. But what if the server goes down?
you should probably
Then
fucking
it'll
kill
it'll
yourself.
it'll it'll screw itself over, and it'll do a bunch of bad stuff, and it'll add a bunch of times to a bunch of lists, and then it'll be great. All right. Yep. Okay. And then ooh, I gotta do this.
What are you even fucking doing?
I'm making it so that when the player joins, it will sync their times for the current map. It'll download any times that they have on the map, and like if they did the specific scenario that I sent you, it could mess up the database, right? And so it will happen. So I need to
Okay.
make a thing for it. And then this is dead code that if they get a time before the server responds with their times on that map, then it will put it into a list. And when all the times are downloaded, then it will upload the new times if they're better.
Ho ho. Ho ho.
I had a crazy bad system on the old times thing that was basically the same thing except the implementation was garbage.
Because you're garbage.
Exactly. And
But
then
honestly, the request overhead is probably not much.
yeah,
I mean,
negligible,
because
but
it's like you're
I just
mostly gonna
forget
get
the
like
idea.
transport time is gonna be the major factor. So
Yeah.
like I don't know where Roblox's servers are, but like whatever the like ping is gonna be really like what takes the longest. So it's like the
Or if you
database
find
is
them and
just
put this
sitting in.
server in the same data centers.
It's probably running on Amazon Oz or some shit.
Yeah.
I guess we could find out, but whatever. What the fuck was I was gonna say something else, but I completely forgot. Damn it! What was I gonna say?
Yeah, gosh, what are you gonna say?
The fuck is that in the background? Like notepad or some shit behind your Sublime text.
Isolate map loading on client and server, and then create a loading screen because it takes forever to load in sometimes. And actually, it'll probably help me debug the problem with loading maps because if I make a loading bar, I'll be like, oh, downloading part data, making sure parts are loaded, and then it'll stop somewhere, and it'll be like, whoa, that's the problem. Whoa.
So how is the map testing gonna work? Or I guess not really that. Like, so can you load maps like based off of like another person's uh like I guess model inventory or whatever without taking it yourself?
No,
Like, can you do that?
and that's a not it's something that you used to be able to do, but you can't do it anymore because Roblox disabled it.
So
But
what's the point of like B-hop models and surf models?
it looks nice.
So like is my thing gonna have to
Okay,
like log into your account and like
yeah, I think
pull
that's
them?
going to have to happen. But I what I was thinking is I would make it a group place, and then
Uh-huh.
those users would be in the group, and then it could take the group uh, from because like they would be in the group. Oh, it's a group place, and then they would take the group models. But I don't think that's how it works. I think it's only the leader of the group. So I have to make the account like the leader of the group, and then it's all like
Uh-huh.
I don't even know if you can load assets on a group place because like I don't know how it works.
Um, I think your
Load.
best bet for that is to like not put like basically like um just make a kind of like little API by itself for just requesting your account to take things and add them and run that on a separate server as a completely separate like program and then like lock that one down like completely.
What do you think? I was
Because
about to read something and then I realized you were talking.
I can't you fucking dick. But anyways, because like not like that not that anything would happen, but it's good to plan that something could happen. that storing like the login for your account on the map test and like public server basically is not exactly the best idea. So like put like write a program for just simply taking maps on your account and put that on a separate server and just like completely lock that one down.
We could like store the maps on a server, and I can make like a protocol to generate the maps based on like
Is that a thing?
data. Well, no, but I could make it happen.
What I could do is well, I don't know if like Roblox requires you to authenticate to download the maps. I see, I could just test that right now, can I? But you could just grab it, and if it doesn't, and then just do whatever you were talking about.
What are you wondering about?
Like, because you can just download the map like straight from Roblox, like the file, right?
Oh yeah.
So you could just grab it like right from there.
That's basically what
If
the
it
load
requires
asset thing
authentication,
does.
then I can just proxy it for you from one of the bots.
But you probably. Do you need to have the map to download it? Does it need to be in your inventory?
No, you can just grab the map by the ID.
Have you tested this?
If you can set headers, you could probably like I could just like give you the cookie for
I can set headers.
one of the bots. What?
I can set headers, so.
Yeah, I know. That's
Yeah.
what I said.
Oh, I
Since you can
thought
set
you said
headers.
if you can set headers.
Yeah. But
Oh, player loading.
I could just like you could request the cookie for one of the bots that's like already logged in, like through the API, and then just download the map like with that cookie.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Really?
Would that
Like
legitimately work? I don't really want to make a XML parsing thing in Lua though, you
Dude,
know.
just fucking steal someone's library on GitHub.
Okay, what if steal someone's library? That's a good idea. But then I was more thinking like, what if you parse it on the server and then
Dude,
and
I
then
hate
send it to me
XML
in a
so
custom
much.
data
It sucks even
format?
worse than a static type language, alright? Like going through that because it's like JSON's really easy because it's like, you have your object and then key value basically. Like JSON or not XML is kind of like multiple like it's like a key plus like parameters and value and it's just AIDS, alright?
What am I doing? Player loading. So when the player joins the game, which is now right here, player loading player equals a table. It's a table. And oh, hold on. Uh, uh,
Okay, I think
I need a funny name for the variable that should never have anything in it.
Why don't you call it that?
Ah, what a great idea.
Okay, yeah, you have to be logged in to download the stuff,
You can't
but you don't
just
need
have
to have.
headers?
Yeah, like you just set the cookie header to like whatever I give you, or you could just log in yourself through Lua.
Give me cookie.
Well, can you get the cookies of a response? Because that would be a problem, wouldn't it? So,
Yeah, I
I mean,
don't know.
honestly, I can
Well,
just make a proxy for it. It's a bit simpler that way. It's like,
wiki.
it's just simpler that way.
Really?
Like super really.
Oh my! It's right here.
So can you not like load a map like from a string? Or like load a
It
model from a string?
yeah.
I mean,
There's
like, is there
no
like a
defined way to do
Roblox
it.
like okay. Do you just have to like parse it out and just like place everything yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Oh god,
Mm-hmm.
that's pretty dumb. What the fuck does the asset even look
Check
like?
that variable
Oh, I
name,
have
boy.
it. Oh god. Okay, I download them in like binary data. That's not good. Let's go for the hex editor.
Oh, this is so nice compared to the last time I made this.
Oh wow.
You know, it's really fortunate that the same player can't be logged into 2 servers because that would be a hassle.
Just ban them. You're doing something that's stupid and you deserve to be banned. Oh, well, speaking of banning, like it's not really banning, but like for the anti-cheat, like when you send me the like the player recording, right? Is that going to be your bot recording, or is that going to be raw, like per frame data?
The um,
Because like
you know,
per
I can do
frame
which.
data would be like preferable, so I can like detect strafe hacking.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah.
Uh, I'll have to upload it in pieces though because of the 1 MB upload limit per packet.
Yeah, it's not a problem. It's not like, well, I mean, it's not like, it might be, um, it's not going to be a problem when there's already times, but like when people are getting times on a new map, that would be a issue, huh? It'd be quite the backlog. I'll be right back.
All right, I'm typing too much. Oh, the chat is dead. If game equals game ID. Uh, uh, okay, yeah, it can't send a time. Ah, it should be impossible. Okay. Um. Uh. What else can I check redundantly? then let's go through. Okay. Oh, I only need to do this if sorted times exists. If sorted times, then.
All right. See, I gotta get up at 6:45.
For.
Cause I have fucking class starts tomorrow. And I have like this class, biology or whatever, at 8 in the morning. And because I commute to school, right? That takes like
Why don't you just
what
fly?
45 minutes normally. But because I will be doing it during like commute time, like where people be going to work, it might take longer. So I have to get up even earlier. So yeah. And right now, I went to sleep. That's like what, 7.5 hours. So huh. And I'm not even remotely tired right now, so that's a problem.
Yeah, going to bed early is the hardest.
Mm-hmm.
Um.
I'm gonna wake up dead tomorrow. There's no way.
Mode.
It's a great idea to drive like an hour, sleep deprived, right? Fucking stupid.
What's my computer doing? Plex? Someone's watching something on Plex? Who's suddenly watching something on Plex? The hell is this?
You have other people that use Plex?
Jason, Drumman22 is watching your name.
What? Have you watched that yet?
No.
Dude, you gotta buy premium and use that GPU encoding.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. And they just use FFmpeg, so you could probably make a little program that like proxies like arguments to their
He's not gonna be able to watch it
the
because I'm streaming.
encoder.
Let's see. Is he on Telegram? I am guessing he is not, but yeah, last seen like a week ago. Rip Drum Man. He can't watch it while I'm live streaming. It uses all the bandwidth.
It's fucking stupid. I need to check what I'm how much disks or how much storage I'm using on Google Drive. Let's see.
Style.
Aw, dude. We've almost hit 1 terabyte on Google Drive of uploaded files.
Of what? Is it unlimited?
Yes.
What?
Me and Alex have this. He sends me $10 a month to pay for his share, and then he just uses my domain. So. I think he actually moved his email over to like the Oblivion domain. So
Really?
yeah.
Oh, that's he's a funny guy.
Yeah.
Alright, so now. Oh my
Fuck, I just elbowed
god.
my mic.
Oh my god. I don't have the times indexed or anything. It would make it a lot faster, but it would use a lot more memory. Should I
You
do
know what the
it?
specs are? Like for the Roblox instances?
Do I what?
Like how much like RAM can you like really use
I
before it
have
just
no
kills its
idea. I'm
phone?
guessing it's 2 gigabytes, same as the studio.
Uh,
I have no idea
like a
though.
64-bit server? Oh, that's too bad. Unless they run it on, oh, I guess it doesn't matter.
Hey, OMG, it's you. I love your games. Thank you. Styles type, mode style, and there's the KZ. So this is the table of times that exist. I'm wondering, should I have like a little hash that locates the times?
By the ID? Like,
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I'd have to update it every time and be like, be a. Nah, it's. I'll just run through the list. If it's 15,000 times long, who cares, right? Uh.
does that even fucking work?
Oh no. Um. I've been really trying. Okay, I basically need to clone this code. So basically, I should have. For sure. Do I only have this in? Unsaved times. Should I? Alright, so it's a new time. And, okay, so can this happen after the server changes? Eh. Eh. Why not, right? True. I got the code there. It'll just blindly write it in. Okay. So yeah, basically it is this function. Yep. Okay. Great. Great moves. Keep it up. Push. Ah. crap. User ID. Map ID. Mode ID. Style ID. Time. So it pushes it in. It just pushes it in. Just like that. It's amazing that I can reuse this function again. I really made it hella modular. 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 Yeah. I'm gonna print that because it shouldn't really happen. I read the chat. I just don't. If it doesn't, if it's not like a question or something, then not really the point in saying it out loud. I read donation messages out loud always. Uh-huh. Is that it? Is that gonna work?
Probably not.
Telegram. Yes, it is Telegram. Will you make an FPS game anytime soon? Probably not. Oh yeah, I've got a paintball game from 4 years ago.
Was that paintball game yours?
Yeah,
You have all
dude.
those videos on?
Yeah. No,
Is it-
not that one.
Are
No,
you
no, no.
inspired by that game then?
Yes.
Fucking faggot.
Well, where's the unsaved times? Is it right here? 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 Here it is. Oh, it's so huge.
That's what she said. Oh, I fucking can't spell for shit. God. What does an N do?
I can send multiple times at once, right?
Oh, I don't think so. Maybe. I don't remember. Oh, I think you can.
Fucking better.
Did, did we do it like that?
Yeah.
I
Prepend is the what? Number. Okay, it is the number. Bogus. Oh my goodness. Okay, so basically I have to copy this entire code section.
heard you won.
Player added. So I should really spawn this in anyway, cause it's gonna lag everything else. Okay.
Well, I'm gonna go attempt to sleep so that I'm not like 100% dead. So I think I'll probably like do your, or at least try to work on the shit like while I'm at like the school or whatever, because I have one of those gay computer science like webinars, right, that I was just doing around. And I don't have enough time to drive home for when it starts. I have to do it there. So I guess I'm kind of forced to just sit there and watch it. So I'll just probably work on it then. So
All right.
yeah.
Great. Great. Oh. I can do that. That's right. Put that here, and then I can have it. So much code. Oh, I ended the call. What a nutter. Don't add knives, please. Why don't you want it? What, it's gonna be a thing you buy. It's not like gonna be forced in your face. Okay. All right. Tell me why would it be annoying to have knives unless you meant what I said where if everyone gets them, because I'm not going to do it where everyone gets them. You're going to have to pay for your knives. Well, that was more code than I thought it would be. I could make it a function because it's the exact same code. What if it has a problem? I'll make it like save list or something. So it's up here and it's down here. Getting crowded. Okay. Huh? Here to here. This can just right there. Righto. Great. Balls. Oh, balls. God damn it. Italy. Alright, so yeah, it's literally the exact same code, so should be fine to delete it. Okay. Great. Oh, this is part of the... Great. Oh, excellent. Alright, that's a little bit smaller. So pushes. So it gets the times from the server, and if there are times there, I don't want to make a thing that does that. I could have a little indexing that tells me where the times are, so I don't have to search through the list every single time. But it would be annoying to maintain. So actually, I push times through this function all the time. That's the only place I push them through. So if I wrote it correctly here, it'd be fine. But alright, alright, so this makes sure that if you log into a server, you get a time, and then you quickly switch to a server with the same map, and then you get a time again, it fixes the database problems that happen when you do that. So, there's that. Whatever. Okay. Roblox. Alright. How many people are here? Did you guys already see the video he sent me? If I'm not doing stuff. This is load times. Okay. I wrote all this code in the last month, I guess. It's more like last 2 weeks, because, reasons. Actually, it's probably the last month. I'm probably high. I don't know. Oh, there's no errors. Isn't that nice? Hello, B-Hop Man. Mud, are you here? Is Minecraft still here? You can check here like this. Participants. No, he's not there. Okay. Let's see if the game is broken. Is anyone in the game? There's 2 people playing the game right now. Can someone in this chat do Paragraph for me? What do you mean, do it for me? You can't really show off if you don't have the skill for it. Hello, mouse. Looks fine so far. Username not saved, big dealio. I can't really test the code because it shouldn't really happen. I can test it actually, that's not true. It'd just be, I'd have to test it in the live game basically. Ah. Boo. Ah! Wow, you know how to load maps? That's impressive. Ah. I keep jumping on the thing. What? 4 seconds? Oh my goodness. I'm so terrible. Wow. Alright. I mean, no one's gonna finish it. Whoa, so close. Nice. Oh, come on. I don't have enough speed anymore. That sucks. Oh, please. Aww. Does too, I don't know. You have to check surf models inventory. Search for the user surf models and check the inventory. And if it's not in there, it wasn't accepted. Ah, I figured out how to do it. Damn, that was bad. Alright, here comes the hard part. Oh my goodness, did I do it? No! I've been playing Surf in almost every game in Source Engine for 5 years. Really? And I'm better than you? It's all about that mouse sensitivity, yo. Yeah, I haven't been playing for long. I don't even play often on Surf. But I'm good at B-Hop. And I wrote the physics engine, so I know what's good. Oh, did I do it? No. A little high. Ah. I can't beat this map. Or I haven't beaten this map yet, I should say. Did I just lose speed? Probably. Dang it! Lost more speed. Whatever. Ceiling happened anyway. Oh, I flicked it at the end. That was terrible. .31. I've got 6400 DPI and 0.02 sensitivity. My Roblox one is 1. I use the endgame one. I should probably use a combination because then I can have whatever sensitivity I want on other games on Roblox. But I don't ever play other games, so I mean, whatever. Is this supposed to be a touched script? Mouse space is very limited. Here's my mouse pad. It's all shiny from constant mouse movement. Oh, I should make the Zoom client side. Yeah, I should do that. I should do that. I should do that. Yes, I should do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make the Zoom client side. Okay, how does it work right now? Zoomy zoom zoom, zoomy zoom zoom. You have like a quarter of this mouse pad? That's terrible. This mouse pad is small. Usually like B-hoppers and surfers get mouse pads that are like really big. Extra large. Turn that sensitivity way down. So I updated times so that it does this. And I have a really nice little modular system for the times aren't there. It's really nice. I don't know if it works, but it's there. I'll do testing. How much was your computer? I don't know. I bought all the parts at different times, so I don't know. I don't have all the receipts and stuff. But I'm planning to get a new computer, which I will show you now. If I can find it. New PC question mark. So this one is in Canadian dollars. So what's this? If I can do it like this. United States. So there's US dollars. This is I'm like this is what I want. I want 32 gigs. Nice cool tower, and people are abusing text game passes by typing something in really large size, making it spin, and making it a really big sentence. This makes your screen go crazy. Fix. Now, why would I give you the ability to do this if I didn't want you to do it? I actually do that too. Yeah, I put crazy spinning text on people's screen, and it's even worse because there's no limitations for me, because I actually limit the size that you can make the text for people who are not me. So I am an even worse troll, so don't even bother. There would also be a spam filter if I didn't want you to spam. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was gonna make the Zoom client side. Movement. Okay, so Zoom. Yes, that's how I could do it. Local player. I have local player. Do I have any special variables for it? Set network bool local player Zoom true Zoom false. All right, that's it. And then on the server side, that's it. Server side, I don't know where the server side is. Zoom starter player scripts. Okay, player settings. I have it in player settings. Is zooming. Gah. Oh. How am I going to do this one? Oh, that's right. Reverse. I shouldn't need these because they're in the player settings. But look at this. I set the float. Oh, that's client side. Give me some chips. Stay in school or else you'll never be a good person. What? Don't be a bad person. Yeah, okay. Specialize. How will I specialize this? Network verse. It's not shared, it's here. Oh, yeah. That's easy. Oh, so easy, except not really. But still, it's doable. Player manager. I do have the player manager. Okay. Okay. Who is itzaname? Is that your friend from Skype? Not really Skype. More like Gary's mod, but also he's just my friend now. I met him on Gary's mod, but this is Telegram. I don't use Skype anymore. School makes us less intelligent. School is not really a place for smart people, but it puts structure into your life. Server dude, yeah, its name is server guy. Can you at least fix skills and gradings? That will be in an update after this one. They're just completely broken because the Roblox data stores are super slow and can't load everything at once. So with this new server, I'll be able to have the entire data available at once. and I'll do a bunch of calculations on the server, and the ranks and stuff should work out great. Mm-hmm. Wrong. Tutorial on how to use quaternions and create slurp lerp functions. I have a quaternion library that you can use to do that easily without really knowing what's going on, but it helps to know what's going on. You can use trace slurp function. Oh, I don't know if he wants me to give that out, but here it is. Some good code right there. Yep. Back to what I was doing. Damn it. Oh, I could. No, I can't. Oops. Okay. Great. So now it's from the client, and I can skip sending it to that client. But I also have other code that uses that, so let's see if I can. Player manager. Great. I'm gonna try and get some sleep. I'm staying up all night. See you around, Quat. Goodbye. Probably already left. It's morning in my country. Quat, you have Discord? Yeah, it's on this screen over here. Do you see my mouse moving around? Stuff. It's right here. Or I could, it's right here. The group, you can find the group on you can find the Discord, a link to the Discord on the BHOP group. That's linked on my profile. It'll be linked on the group page. Oh, that's server storage. Sweet. I'll just haha. Is in times again. All right. Okay. Movement. Got rid of that. File, save, file, publish. It was in the player settings, right? Zoom. Yeah, there it is. So this is other players. Okay, so that should make it client side now, and it'll be much better. Why are we watching him code? You don't have to be here if you don't want to. I'm just doing it to show you that I'm working. But I'm more waiting right now. Look at how good that is. Oh! Yeah, okay. That is definitely client side, eh? It's so hard to move like this. All right. 4 hours ago you broke scrolling. Yeah. Yes, that did happen. But it is fixed now. And it's fixed more than I broke it. I made it so that boosters work. So now you can use boosters and scroll. Isn't that great? You know, I should load up the map. Let's go to the Roblox library. Roblox. BHOP adventure in library. It exists. You scroll right now. Yeah, I'm gonna. Drum man. Where is his? Oh my god. Roblox is terrible. I could probably find it better with Google. Roblox model bhop adventure drum man 22. No. Uh, Evidently not. Okay. Okay, how am I gonna find it? Drumman T26. Models. There it is. It's in my inventory. Great. So we do map like that. And then V2. There we go. Alright, so now we do scroll style. This is gonna be, oh, looks like I broke it again. Allow me to fix it. So I just went like this. What does the scroll style do? It means you have to use the mouse to jump. It's an old thing. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Okay. Yeah, it's really broken now, but instead of using the spacebar, you use the mouse, and you have to press it every single time you want to jump. But it's broken right now because I broke it. And I'm shutting down the server. And now start the game again. Oh, arrow. Do I use arrow keys to bhop or move the mouse back and forth? You use WASD and the mouse. I have a tutorial of how to bhop linked in the description of the bhop place. Scroll mode. There we go. Not very good at scroll mode. Very bad. Hey, it works. Look at that. No thanks. Hey, I'm doing good. Oh, lost all my speed. Ah, made it. How do I... Ah. Oh, I missed the last one. I didn't miss it. I forgot to jump on the last one, or didn't forget. I just missed the timing for how to jump, just like I did that one. How do I jump? You're talking about regular or scroll? Because on scroll you use the scroll wheel. Great. Oh, hit the bottom of the... Oh, okay, there we go. And it should show completed the map. Cool. So, scroll. Great. Yeah, great. Fantastic. Oh, the boosters work in scroll mode. Normal mode. Oh, I hit the side. I can probably... No, I don't think I can still make it. It's terrible. Really? I missed the platform? Oh, really? Whee! Oh, I could have made it right to the booster. Oh, gotta hit the... Oh, my personal best is like 52 or something. 53 probably. Next project should be rocket jumping. I'm thinking the next one is fly maps, and I have a separate game for that. And then if I make guns and knives, I'll do rocket jump. And if I make a physics system, I'll make KZ with crouching. A new physics system, that is. What's that? So much better on the client side. I'm so glad I did this. This is what I'm hoping to do now, is just go through and do small things like the zoom on the client side. Please stream it all. I know what that face is. Google doesn't do that face properly. It's the :O face. It's not what that means. When they automatically change the text faces like that, I hate it. I wish that they only did it when you type it in specifically, because the text faces They always get them wrong. I want to watch how it's all done from scratch, if that's how you do it. No, I basically copy the code and make a new feature. The surf and bhop both have exactly the same code. Like, literally exactly the same code. I just changed the gravity. And I have little special cases here and there for little things that are different. Okay, cool. Cool. Do you guys have any more suggestions? What did you do to the zoom? Now it's on the client side. So the zoom used to be done on the server side. So when you press the key, it would is my keyboard in frame? Escape. Ooh, fancy. Escape. Is that on this side? Yeah, okay. So what used to happen is when you press the key, you would press the key and it would send a message to the server and tell the server to change your zoom, and then the zoom would send a message back to your client and say, okay, change the zoom. But it would also send it to everyone else, so when you're spectating someone, you could see when they zoom. But now it's on your client side, so it's right away. Rather than waiting for the server to respond, it's just right away. It was pretty easy to do. I was just lazy, and I didn't do it before. So yeah, now it's client side rather than server side. Way easier to use. You don't get a headache from using it, waiting for the server all the time. You gonna add hotkeys? I wasn't planning on it because then people will just ask for other things, other hotkeys and stuff, and then they'll like, oh, can you add this source command? Make a source console. Like, my game isn't built like that, so it doesn't make sense to do that. That's what I'm worried about. Terrible. Bad. Your bhop and surf game is very good. I hope it continues to improve whenever possible. I know it's slow to improve the maps because I'm a developer too, but in Minecraft. I don't work on the maps. Other people make the maps. I just made the engine, the physics engine. Yeah, zoom, huge difference with zoom, and it doesn't send back to the client anymore. It doesn't send back to the client. So I remember I first did zoom and I tested it on this map before as well. Oh, I'm doing caps lock. All right, this is super hard. Ah. Whoa, I did it. Ever planned on doing a full game? I might make a complete new game with Axis Angle, one of the Phantom Forces devs, but we already have one game started. But if if they start a new game and they start making a new Phantom Forces, I'm sure my friend will invite me onto the team. But if they don't, then you won't see it. But I do like streaming development, so I'll probably I'll probably stream it if I do get on that or anything. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I used to be way faster on this map too. 10 seconds faster. What do now? Oh, that was terrible. There used to be a booster right here, but there's not anymore. Someone took it out. Someone as in Jason. All right, what should I add next? I fixed the zoom. So many little problems have gone away thanks to developing every single day. It rhymed. What should I do? What should I make next? What should I fix? What should I... I'm out of things to do. How long have I been live? About 2 hours. I don't be up or surf. I guess I'm kind of done for today then. I'm glad I started streaming again and did some stuff. Oh, I didn't get... hold on, I didn't do this. I don't really want to do that anymore. OMG, am I invisible? Ah. Lad. Good zoom. I could send the zoom with the spectate playback. I think that would probably be a better way to do it, actually. Better as in synchronized with what they're aiming at. That would be annoying though, because then it would be in the bot data as well. Are you really going to add knives and weapons? I am hoping to do it, but I don't really have anything to say now because someone gave me the knife models, so I don't know what to do. I was saying, oh, get me the models and I'll do it, but I want to get this update out first, and I want to do some other updates, but I'm planning to make it happen after I make my game not look like a pile of bugs. Alright, is the bot working? Yeah. Bad. What do you... I need suggestions. What do you guys want me to do? Otherwise, I'm going to end the stream. Backwards. Backwards mode is not for me. Man, it's gonna be so interesting when I have the modes as well, because you will be able to do the map from finish to start, and then you'll be able to do it in reverse or backwards from finish to start, and then you'll be able to reverse the bot, and I'll make a thing to turn the. I'll probably make a thing for fun that you see the bot backwards. Oh, come on. But yeah, do scripting tutorials. I don't want to do that. Drunk camera with blur effects. Trey made a place like that. Axis angle. He made a place. Axis angle. Am I hot? Yeah. Content deleted. Probably this one. I'll ask him. Where is... Can you put your game into one whole universe? That sounds like a good idea, but I don't know. Trey Reynolds. Did your drunk simulator get deleted? He had a place that did that. Make a drunk camera with blur effects and stuff. Can you put your game in one whole universe, all your games in one? Yeah, I keep thinking that, like, it'd be great to have something like that, but I don't really know how to do it, and it's like, I don't know. There's already a bunch of. Are you allowed to move the places around and like keep the number of plays and the favorites and stuff? Are you allowed to move them into a universe? What chat program is that? This is Telegram. It's great. It's a really good program. It's pretty much flawless for text communication. How much US dollars do you make a month in Roblox? Let's see. So trade. This is per day. Per month. So last month I made 263,000 Robux, and the exchange rate is $7 US per 2,000 Robux. So last month I made 923 US dollars. So on the very low end of salaries, like it's not even minimum wage. Let's see. So if minimum wage is 10, I don't know what it is, but and then you have a 40-hour work week, and I don't know. There's 12 months in a year, and then that's per week. So how many weeks in a year? I don't know. So that would be per year, and then so it's, yeah, right? I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, I think this would be like minimum wage, 40-hour work weeks. And I'm making this much. Doing calculations on the stream.
Are you paying out money or collecting money?
collecting money, obviously.
For whom? You or your partners?
What are you talking about? I'm just, they would just asked how much I made, so I showed it.
How much are you making?
$900 a month.
800 a month?
900.
Oh, that's a nice raise. Double your money.
Yeah.
Or a little bit, and plus a little bit more. Getting there. Now that you're working, it's pumping up nicely.
Yes, yes it is. I haven't even made the guns and knives.
Tell your friends that your father's pressurizing you to sell out.
I'll see if I can fit that in the conversation to come. Well, I think I end the stream there. I'm out of things to do. No one's suggesting anything I should make. So, I made a couple things that I've been wanting in the game, and it feels great to have this client-side zoom. And maybe tomorrow I'll do a loading screen. Yeah, maybe tomorrow I'll do a loading screen. I'm just waiting for my server guy to make the server stuff. Air Jordan's $2 donation says, I love you. Stream is ending. Thanks for the donation, Air Jordans. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll probably stream like noon or 1 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, but no guarantees. I usually stream every day, but sometimes no. Oh no, tomorrow I'm going out with my friends, so I might stream later in the day. I always miss the hole. Alright. Goodbye.